Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab. We wanted to highlight brands and sneakers that are practicing sustainability and reducing waste in their production and how our products can clean these environmentally conscious sneakers. You will need a sneaker cleaner, premium brush, a container of water, microfiber towel, sneaker wipes, odor protector, and our leather care. Start by removing the laces of the shoe, as we will clean them at a later stage. Use our premium brush to scrub away any excess dirt. This will get rid of any loose dirt and will make the cleaning process much easier. Grab a sneaker wipe to get rid of any surface level scuffs and stains. This is a quick and efficient way to remove most of the dirt before you begin the deep clean. Generously spray the sneaker with sneaker cleaner covering all dirty sections. Dip our premium brush into water and start scrubbing in a small circular motion along the uppers. Continue this process until the uppers and tongue of the shoe are clean. Move down to the midsoles of the shoe, applying more pressure to remove stubborn dirt and then finishing off with the soles. When the dirt has been removed from the sneaker, use a microfiber towel to wipe off excess moisture. Once complete, set your sneakers aside to dry. The laces can be cleaned by spraying sneaker cleaner on them and rubbing them together in your hands. Dip them in water to create a foam and continue to rub them together until they are looking clean. Wring out the moisture and leave to dry. When dry, lace up your sneakers to prepare for applying our odor protector and leather care. Use our odor protector to fight off any unwanted odors and have your sneakers smelling fresh again. If you have inner soles that are removable, spray them and the inside of your sneakers. Lastly, you can apply our leather care to protect and nourish them. Our leather care works on both leather and PU. It UV protects and shines while creating a water-resistant seal. This will prolong the life of your sneakers. And that was our step-to-step guide on how to clean your Veja sneakers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.